Hello there! Today we are learning shapes and colors, so let's start. And we are starting with an arrow. This is a star. This is a ball. This is a sun. This is a hexagon. And this is a triangle. Alright, so let's color our shapes. And we will start with color purple. This is purple. Alright, so this is a purple arrow. And let's take yellow for a star. This is color yellow. Alright, we are taking orange for the ball. This is an orange ball. We are taking pink for the sun. This is a yellow sun. We are taking green for the hexagon. This is a green hexagon. And we are taking blue for our triangle. Alright, thanks for watching.